Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create a budget plan in Excel. To do that, you must set up your worksheet. First, open your Excel and create a new worksheet. In this worksheet, we'll label our column. You can do the worksheet here, or you can also create a column and include date, description for a brief explanation of the transaction, income, expenses, balance, and others. Then enter your data. Start entering your financial transaction into appropriate column. Make sure to include all your sources and expenses. If needed, categorize them for better organization. Then calculate balance. To calculate your balance, use a formula in the balance column. This formula adds your initial balance, the sum of incomes up to the current row, and subtracts the sum of expenses up to the current row. Then drag the fill handle down to autofill this formula for all rows with data. Then to make your budget visually appealing, format numbers as currency. You can also use bold headers, borders, and color to enhance readability. Then add totals and summary. So that's how to create a budget plan in Excel. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.